It's a lot, not that we cannot deal with, but it just needs a bit of serious investment towards that. Yes, and people who knows how to run the project and how to implement it. Because in terms of literacy, we have 99% literacy in Zimbabwe. So the people that can deal with this, like the young people, the youth who can really make a change towards this, is widely available. It's amazing. We have recently had a group called the Zimbabwean Youth for Development Agenda. The profile of the people who are in that group is amazing. The profiles of their education and experience, it's really amazing. If you just take maybe that Zimbabwe Youth for Development Agenda youth group, task them, put them to task to run these projects, I'm sure we will see a good turnaround in the economic and restructuring of